Good morning, YouTube. This is William from Williams, Philippines. Hope you're having a wonderful, blessed day. It is May 21st, 2024. Been a day. Why is it everybody wants to wake somebody up that works at night? And I know it's not everybody's trying to do it, but it sure seems like they want to. Yeah. I got woke up several times before I finally just said no. I actually turned my phone off and shut everything down so I could get some sleep. I did manage to get a good 6 hours, so that's good. Actually, about 6.5, so better than yesterday. But yeah, it is a good thing. The phone going off on a regular basis while trying to sleep is not easy on folks who work night shift. So it is what it is. Anyway, got a phone call from a guy early, before, while I was cooking my dinner, and scheduled. He's showing up Wednesday morning about, I think, 10 to take a look at my house and give me an estimate on what an offer on my house. I doubt I'll take any of it, but I want to have a few inputs doing what I do. Anyway, yeah, fun stuff, trying to figure out all that stuff. Anyway, I hope y'all have had a blessed day. I got to watch a few videos and caught a video from, oh gosh, I forget his name. Anyway, he does videos on houses that he's found, that he is showing off as, here's a real good deal. For this one was, he got a house that's $70 a month right now, and it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. It may look rough right now, but put some remodeling into it, and they're willing to do pretty much whatever in the way of a lease. And oh my gosh, $70 a month for a 3-bedroom house in the Philippines. And you can, after a couple years, they'll up it to $90 a month. But do a little bit of remodeling on this place and make it yours. Basically, they gave complete permission to just do what you want with it. So, yay. And, I'm looking at that going, I could be quite happy there. Boy. See, I'm doing remodeling on my house, is what I'm trying to do and get figured out and get things out. And I need this garage sale to happen now. Try to get things taken care of as fast as I can. Problem is, I'm not a day person working nights, so I don't have a lot of time during the day to get things done. I'm actually thinking about taking a week vacation, just to take and be awake during the day and literally run a weekend of garage sales from Wednesday through Sunday or Monday. Yeah, I don't know. I got to get things out of the house so I can actually, get to my floor to start doing work on it, to get out there and have time during the day to actually paint. Because, first thing in the morning, it's too humid. The dew is all over the place and too humid to paint. on surfaces until it dries out. Then you can paint. I was noticing that this morning. Don't get me wrong, the percentage of humidity this morning, or well, around noon when I went to sleep, was 10%. But it went from like 50% and dew on things to 10% and dry. So yeah, it's part of it. High Plains Desert. Welcome to the yo-yo of temperatures and humidity swings. I've actually been here when it went from, well, 5 o'clock p.m. It's 92 degrees. The front comes in about 5:30, and by basically 7:30, 2 hours later, the temperatures drop down to 70. By midnight, it's down to 50 and dropping quick. The front's really coming through. By 5 a.m. the next morning, it is 32 degrees. Winds blowing out of the north, and there's an inch of snow blowing around. 12 hours from 92 degrees to 32 degrees, and snow blowing sideways, an inch. Welcome to the Panhandle of Texas. Basically, that's like going from 33 or 34 degrees to, going from 33 degrees to 0. Yeah. Welcome to the sideways of the Panhandle of Texas. Yeah, we get wonderful weather, and people wonder why I want to get out of here and go enjoy some warmth. Because it does get cold here. And it gets cold here suddenly sometimes. Never know for sure what the temperature's going to do. It wouldn't surprise me if we actually had another freeze before the end of May. It wouldn't. I've seen it. My aunt was here when it actually snowed on the 4th of July. So, yeah. Wonderful weather. This is why I want to go retire to the Philippines. Another one of the reasons. I don't think I'll see snow again once I get there. I'm okay with that idea. I'm just, yeah. Anyway, it is what it is. And it is wild weather around here. And I'm okay with that. But I'm ready to be out of it. I don't know about you, but that's just too much of a system shock on a regular basis. I don't know. Anyway, I got to see that video from, I forget it. I forget the name of the channel. Big expat, black beard, and likes wearing a beanie cap, black net cap, bean skull cap. There you go. Got a big heavy beard. And he talks about this, and oh gosh, I saw that house and I was like, I could do that. His house is like, he got it for 36 and he's remodeled it, and he's spending about $50 a month between his lease cost and what he's remodeling it for. Oh man, and he's improved it and made it look so much nicer. I would love to take and have that place leased. So I ain't afraid to take and do some remodeling once I get there and let somebody else do the work. I don't know about you, but I'm getting old. I'm getting tired of taking and remodeling. I've done my share of it. Frame carpenter, I've built enough of them too. But I'm ready to go and enjoy life. And I want to find something like that to take and move into and enjoy. I don't know about y'all, but this year can't get over fast enough for me. I am. If I could hit the button right this minute and go beep, and it went from now to December 24th for Christmas, I wouldn't want to rush through Christmas. And I love Thanksgiving, but I'd be willing to give up Thanksgiving to just get to Christmas and be at the end of this year. Just doop, hit the go button and be done with it. I got things to do though. And the more I get done, the faster the better. So I'm going to be doing a lot of things around the house to get things taken care of. Part of me says, just drop this back to once a week, but I want to try to do it every day for the rest of the year. All the way up to leaving here. I don't know, I'm kind of got used to putting out a little video every day. So, I guess y'all are stuck with me. If I'm stuck with it, y'all are stuck with me too, unless you want to run away. It's a choice. Anyway, I'm going to cut this one here and get things taken care of. Breakfast is coming up. So, this is William from Williams, Philippines, and I can't wait to get there. I hope y'all are having a blessed day. Later. Blessings and bye-bye. I am Fish, and hey, Fish is out.